Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is your teacher Engineer Shahada Benazir Sheikh and Miss Asma Imran for class 8 for the computer. We will start here chapter number 2, computer viruses. The book you can see on the screen. In this chapter we will cover the topics computer virus, types of viruses, worms and Trojan horses, effects of viruses. Here you see the topic computer virus. A computer virus is much like a human virus that attacks a host and creates trouble. A virus attacks the human body by entering in some way, attaching itself to a host cell. Similarly, a computer virus enters a system and attaches itself to some program. A computer virus is a program that attacks and affects a software and data in a computer. A computer virus is a program designed and written by a computer programmer. A computer virus can affect a computer without user knowing it. A computer virus is spread by the use of infected data or programs residing in the disk while copying them from one system to another. Now, types of computer viruses. Boot sector partition table viruses designed to infect the boot sector of the disk. Boot sector of the disk contains information instructions to boot the computer. A boot sector virus is executed every time a computer is switched on. Examples are written over here. Another type is file infecting virus. It attaches themselves to executable program files with extension names as com.exe.6 as you can see on the screen, Word file, Excel file, Windows. Whenever the file is executed, the virus gets activated and remains present in the main memory even after the execution of the file is over. When another file is executed, this virus attaches itself to the new file and thus another file gets infected and so on. Examples you can see Friday the 13th, Enigma, Nemesis, etc. Worms and Trojan horses. Worms are similar to viruses. Viruses attach themselves to a host program, while worms can exist by themselves, usually replacing some system file and does not attach itself to other program files. This is the main difference. A worm is a program that multiplies on its own to make multiple copies of itself. You can see the picture. It slows down the system, generally exists in network environments and not on an individual standalone system. Example is US International Worm. Trojan horses are programs that seem to be useful and perform certain tasks. For example, it may look as it was installing a screensaver while actually deleting files from your system. Do not multiply themselves and do not infect other files but destroy information present in the disk. Examples are Dark Waits, 12 Tricks A and B. Then is effects of computer viruses. Some harmful effects that a computer virus can cause are: a computer virus can infect software and not hardware. It can alter the contents of the file. It can overwrite the entire directories. It can erase a specific program or data. It can infect executable files, that is, files with .exe extensions. It can infect the boot records, the files needed to start the computer. It can slow down the system performance, and so on. Different viruses can affect a computer system in different ways. Here you see the written task, short question answers, and one long question. Then you have the post lesson assessment, which you have to do by yourself. Thank you.